And it started the transformation. Okay. We're gonna be putting this breaker panel up.
I can't even see what I'm doing here now. All I can see is spots of that light.
John just stuck a bulb up here in this oxygen box there, but we usually don't have a bulb up there because when you put the garage door up, it usually catches and breaks a bulb.
I said, don't put the garage door up now.
And, I forgot the GoPro in the Jeep, so I ran out to get it. I whipped up the garage door and smoked the light, but she still works. That's the main thing. John almost died there on the ladder. We just had to lift him down out of the rafters.
There's a reason they say don't stand on the top of the ladder.
Yeah, we found out why. So panels go in here, but there's a lot of crap getting moved around right now. John's got all garbage man mode.
Oh yeah, everything.
Look at all this space on that shelf. Oh man. We're gonna put up some, we should do the banners now. Actually.
Do it after we put some wires up there.
Yeah. We're rerouting all this wire here. Sick and tired of using BM's heat dish.
Funny meals.
And we got this little industrial one. Hopefully it works because DJ on job sites buys got that going 24/7, even when there's no one in the house. So hopefully she works.
We'll figure it out.
Welcome to John's cooking show.
Bought my old Costco grill, mate. It's the first meal she ever gonna cook. $16 at Costco, boy. Sorry if the power goes out and stuff. They're not so good out in the cold, but we're gonna find out.
So what we got for today?
We have some moose strip loin marinated for the last 24 hours in some steak marinade,
Ooh.
which should be tasty. And we have some onions to go with that, and we have some Italian moose sausages.
Woo.
Fresh out of Central. Are you ready? Oh yeah, boys.
Woo. Oh man.
Should be good. Give this like a little quick fast fry now, mix it up.
I can't believe you're vegan.
Yeah. Quotes Instagram photo of me with a moose. Would you like some chop?
I love some chop. Woo.
Oh yeah.
We tested a piece out.
Did you ever see a National Lampoon's video where Buddy picks up the eggnog and he's like, it's good, it's good.
I never.
Oh,
Do you want to reenact it for
that's
us?
gonna be it with the sausage. We're gonna go, it's good, it's good, it's good.
You know what we should start doing? Muck, is it mukbang or?
What?
It's that thing where people just eat in front of cameras. And they get a lot of views. There's usually hot girls doing it though.
I've never seen that.
I see like once or twice.
At a recording.
Yeah. I could be a hot girl.
Dan's acting like he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. So
In reality,
you gotta put the neutral to a hot, right?
I think he might know what he's doing. We'll give him that.
Everyone that is not an electrician is gonna call me an idiot.
Probably.
If that makes sense.
They probably are. But that's it. Who cares about other people?
That's actually not a neutral wire, it's actually a hot wire.
You're a hot wire. Oh my. You two, please don't get mad at us for all of that.
We're gonna leave that in the video, but
Yeah.
hopefully it will be
Who's coming in here?
not.
Oh, someone to teach Stan how to do what he's doing. He comes bearing wood.
The wood bearer.
The wood bearer. Dan had to call in this guy, Brandon, because he didn't know what he's doing.
Yeah.
That's it though. Anyways, YouTube, please don't get mad at us for that little song. We love you. All right, bye.
The boys over there is enjoying their juice boxes, so YouTube doesn't want to see that. So panels in and stuff. We're gonna put a outlet right here. I'm gonna run it through the bench, like up underneath it, and up to a plug that I'm gonna put here for this light here. Just plug in while we're working on clutch stuff. So yeah, it's coming through. And then John's right now. John is up to Costco. He's buying like this fin light or something on it, and that's gonna go. This box here is gonna go moved out center of the shed right here. We're gonna take that light off and the keyless off, and we're gonna put this new fin light right there. And after that, we're gonna put all this insulation up, and then we're gonna finally put up a couple banners we got from Atlantic Recreation and our N2 Deep banner. So the shed's gonna be a lot more warm to deal with now in the snow. What happened, John?
I got me mind gone. I got too much on my plate.
All right, you talk to us when you get back. What you got?
Some goods.
Some goods?
Till you're ready to move.
Oh, Bonnie, watch out.
Come on.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It blinds us.
Burns the GoPro up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow.
Ah.
Woo! Holy! Can't even look at that.
Oh, they are bright.
Yeah. Good thing we only got one. Holy mackerel, man.
That's dandy.
That's actually...
If we had two of them, we would have seen it.
No. We should just leave that there. That's good. Cap that up there. I just did a time lapse of this guy here.
Yeah.
Then I forgot I had to join another plug on it, so I was like, ah.
Yeah, definitely. We leave that right where it's soon.
Yeah. Because we kind of got a bench light. No, yeah, that's perfect, bye. Wicked! Boom! Heater is on.
Boom again. It's just turned on. Yeah.
Cold air. But
That too with the wrench.
we got one layer or line of the insulation up, and we just put our permanent light up.
Big time difference.
Yeah.
The light on the bench ain't make a difference.
No, at all. But we're getting there, and John's putting up the last piece there now. And banner time then, I guess.
What we're gonna do up there is put tape everywhere.
Yeah,
There's no tape up there. Just...
everywhere.
Actually, we should get a banner go across there.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab the N2 Deep one.
Kimpex one right across there.
Yeah. At this banner, the NASCAR banner, huge NASCAR banner.
Not
I
even
got-
NASCAR fans, but it's just
I know, yeah, it's just cool. We got a bunch of Chemplex ones. We still don't have Atlantic Rec one though.
no.
Now Atlantic Rec gave us these banners, but we don't actually have an Atlantic Rec banner. I don't know what's wrong with that, Mayo. I don't know, man. N2 Deep Customs. N2 Deep was our first sponsor ever, man. That's pretty cool, huh? A couple years ago, took a chance on us.
I think he's done pretty good, actually.
I think he done pretty good too, according to what we hear from him. He's still sending us stuff, so. And we got our little NASCAR one put up. John loves NASCAR. John's one of those guys that sits in front of his TV and goes,
Yeah, that's me.
just like his cats. His cats join him too.
All day, every day.
Yeah. Got nothing better to do. All the time in the world he has. Well, boys, I hope that's a kind of long video. Probably not. It's probably like 7 minutes. We wanted
Took us all day.
hopefully it's 7 minutes. Try to get some snow off the bikes.
See how the new heat works.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please like it,
Comment.
comment, and subscribe.
And